Hey there English learners, this is Teacher Aziz from English with Teacher Aziz. Today I'm going to share some super effective tips to help you learn English fast. Whether you're a beginner or prepping for your baccalaureate, these tips will boost your progress in no time. First up, immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Watch your favorite movies or TV shows in English. Listen to English songs or podcasts while you're commuting or doing chores. It's like having a mini English lesson every day. Next, practice speaking daily. Find a language partner, join a language exchange group, or even talk to yourself in English. It might feel weird at first, but trust me, it works wonders. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Now let's talk about vocabulary. Make it a habit to learn a few new words every day. Use flashcards or apps like Anki to help you remember them. And don't just memorize. Try to use these new words and sentences right away. Context is key to retention. Grammar can be tricky, but don't stress. Break it down into small, manageable chunks. Focus on one grammar point at a time. Practice it until you're comfortable, then move on to the next. Consistency is your best friend here. Reading is also crucial. Start with simple books or articles and gradually move to more complex texts. Highlight new words, understand their meanings, and try to use them in your conversations. This will improve your comprehension and vocabulary simultaneously. Lastly, stay motivated and set realistic goals. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient and persistent and you'll see amazing results. So there you have it. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to mastering English in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Teacher Aziz. Happy learning and see you in the next video.